Hi teacher, my name is Johan Camilo Ramirez Sanchez. I am 22 years old. I like read, I like animals, I like play soccer, and listen to music. Okay, my travel experience. On my last vacation, I went to Melgar, Tolima. I was there 2 days, with me, mom, and some friends. I really liked was we were in the recreational park and saw Piscilago, in which we found different types of animals, species, and also had found 4 attractions that the park has. I found an amount of 500 to 1,000 pets. Both the holidays were pleasant. Adventures Melgar and Single were clean. Recommendation is you go to Melgar, Tolima. It is important to take a camera to get pictures of landclays and animals. It is important to note the location of hotels of country house. Another recommendation is that it is necessary to have a vehicle to some to tourist cities. What should you do into Melgar, Tolima? People should go to Canoe Cafan and tourist place. What you should not do in Melgar, Tolima? People should don't worry about their belonging. Also, people should not be like to cities to tourist cities. Thanks. Bye.